Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Your sole responsibility. You're the only one responsible for your unhappiness. External matters only affect you to the degree you let them, and they have no control over you unless you give them power. Recognize your depth, your soul, and the universal forces dwelling inside your heart and mind. When you're aware of this, you become the spiritual warrior destined to be, destined to thrive, and destined to triumph. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was power. I believe this with all my heart and soul. Just realize, Father, God, the universe, whatever you want to call that energy, it dwells inside you. So whatever you really desire is bound to come true if you follow the doors that open. Just follow them. Follow your heart. Follow love, and you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.